2017 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, side head airbag, MP3 player, electronic stability control, power door locks, bucket seats, CD player, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.